Hello, good morning children. Welcome back to our class children. Okay, take out your English worksheet book children. See here, take out your English worksheet. Okay, open page number 9. Okay, already we done the page number till 1 to 8. Okay, today we will open page number 9. Okay, see here what is there here. Match the letters and the pictures. Match the letters and the pictures. See first letter what is there here? K. K for which object will come? K for kite. Like this you should match. K for kite. Next L. L for lamp. Next M for monkey. N for nest. O for oval. Yes children, like this you should match. Okay, match the letters and the pictures. Okay, K for kite. Okay, match the K to K object. Okay, K for kite. L for lamp. M for monkey. N for nest. O for oval. Okay children. And open page number 10. This is also class work for you children. See here, look at the pictures and say their names. Look at the pictures and say their names. Also trace the first letter. Okay, look at the picture and say the names and also trace the first letter. See first one, what is this? This is the lion. Yes, what is this? Lions. Trace this L letter. Okay, L-I-O-N, lion. Say the spelling of lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Next, second one is octopus. Trace this O letter. Okay, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Next, third one is man. M-A-N, man. Okay, trace this M letter. Okay, M-A-N, man. Fourth one, necklace. Trace this N letter. Okay, N-E-C-K-L-A-C-E, necklace. N-E-C-K-L-A-C-E, necklace. Okay, and read and write. Here, read and write. See here, what is there? Capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o. Like this you should trace this. Okay, learn and trace. Okay, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o. Okay children, got it? And open page number 11. See here, this is also class work for you. Help Bunny to find this carrot. Help Bunny to find this carrot. I will show you on the board. See here, here bunny is there. So help the bunny to reach the carrot. Okay, A after which letter will come? Right here, B. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay children, help bunny to find this carrot like this. Okay children, got it? And open page number 12. See here, what is there? Ashi wants to give his balloons a name. Help him. Ashi wants to give him his balloons a name. Help him. Here missing letters is there. Capital A, small a is there. See here, small a after what will come? Small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o. Like this you should write. Okay. Right here, Ashi wants to give his balloons a name. Help him. Okay. Like this you should write here. Missing letters are there. Okay. Got it? And open page number 13. This is also class work for you children. Write the capital letter of each small letter. Write the capital letter of each small letter. See here, parrots are there. In the see here, first one is done for you. Small a is there. Write in the down capital letter. Small d, capital D. Next small f, capital F. Small g, capital G. Small m, capital M. Small n, capital N. Small j, capital J. Small k, capital K. Small b, capital B. Small e, capital E. Okay children, got it? And open page number 14. See here, open page number 14 is homework for you. Write the small letter of each capital letter. Write the small letter of each capital letter. Here, capital letter is there. Okay, capital A is there. Right here, small a. Like this, you should write whole page. Okay, this is homework. And open page number 15 also homework. Look at the picture and color the related picture. Look at the letter. Look at the letter and color the related picture. Here, letter is there. P for which object will come? P for parrot, bell. P for parrot will come. You should do the color of parrot. Here Q for quill. Yes, R for rabbit. S for sun. Yes children, like this you should see the letter and do the color. This is homework. And open page number 16. Here also, this is also class work. Look at the pictures and trace the first letter. Look at the picture and trace the first letter. First picture is what is there here? Peacock. Trace this P letter. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Second one, quill. Q-U-I-L-L, quill. Q-U-I-L-L, quill. Third letter is rose. R-O-S-C, rose. Fourth one is ship. S-H-I-P, ship. And down also you should trace, read and write. Capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s. Like this you should write. Okay children? And open page number 17. This is also class work. Look at the pictures and circle the correct letter. Look at the picture and circle the correct letters. See what is this? T for tiger will come. Okay, look at and circle the first letter. T for tiger will come. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for watch. Like this you should circle. Okay, look at the picture and circle. Okay children, got it? And open page number 18. This is homework for your children. Color this picture and write its name. Color this picture. It is van. Yes. Write in the down VAN van. Okay. And trace these letters. This is homework. Color this van picture. And open page number 19. This is also homework. Look at the letter and color the related pictures. See here X first. X next will come. Z for zebra. Y for yak. Yes children, like this you should color. Okay. Okay children. Got it? See here page number 20. Look at the picture and tick the correct letter. CW, this is also. Y for yak. Yes, X for xylophone. Z for zoo. Like this. Okay. Trace this letters down. Capital X, small x, capital Y, small y, capital Z, small z. Okay children, got it? Y for yak, X for xylophone, Z for zoo. Okay children, got it? See you next class children.